everyone, and welcome to Human Resource Management. My name is Kim Fisher, and I will be your instructor for the next 15 weeks. This is a all online course, meaning all the materials will be delivered through this D2L site, and it will be online, so we will not be meeting. I can certainly Zoom with you at any time. All you have to do is email me or text me, and we can arrange to do a Zoom so that we can work through any problems you have. So I want to alleviate any problems or nervousness about how to get a hold of me or that we're not doing a class. I know that this is a different time for everyone and everything is online right now, so we will get through it, no worries. When you first open this course, this is pretty much what it looks like, but you will see my announcements. So make sure you look at these announcements at least 3 to 4 times a week. I will put a weekly announcement here, but right now I've put a welcome, what the course contains, my name, when it starts, which is this Saturday, and your book, so that you could go ahead and get your book. You don't have to buy it, you can rent it. It's up to you. If you're going into business and you know you want to go into management, this would be a great resource, but that is entirely up to you. But here's the information. Here's my, this is my personal phone, so please text, don't call. Or you can email me. Either one is fine. Okay. So then when we want to, the next step is to go to contents. And under here, under the course tour is where you're going to find this tour. But then we go to welcome and getting started. Under here, it will give the instructor information. It just gives a little history about myself. The communication plan, which will tell you exactly how to get a hold of me. My number again, I try to put it in multiple places so that it's easy for you to reach out to. I will respond to any emails within 24 hours during the work week, and then over the weekend it will be the next business day. It doesn't mean that I won't contact you over the weekend, but just know that I may not. It just depends. I will, as I said before, post weekly announcements, and I do reminders. This course will go over all the different details as we go along, but this is everything you need to know on how to get a hold of us. Your papers, everything should be graded within the first week. I usually do them right away, but it depends. If it's papers, it may take a little bit longer. Your textbook again, everything you need for your textbook. I want you to read through this. I want you to read through the syllabi. And then your schedule. This would be a good thing for you to download and print out because it has all your due dates. And as you'll see, this week you have a discussion board due, and it would be due next Sunday, the 17th. So you never have to worry about when everything's due. It's here. It will tell you the exact dates, time. Your announcement tells you, and I do a reminder on Friday. So you should never be late. We do not accept late assignments. Absolutely no late assignments. Now, if you get sick, I want you to call me before the assignment is due, not after. And it's case by case. It's just not a general that you cannot hand in an assignment. Course expectations, we have them all here for you. This course structure, how it's broken down. It talks about there are no makeup or retakes. I've had students call me and say, you know, I've worked all weekend and I forgot my test. I'm sorry, you have to put this on your calendar. You've got to make sure. So put it in your phone as a reminder that you have a test. You've got the schedule now right here. Put it in your phone to remind you. Feedback and grades. Again, I will get everything back to you within a week. Attendance. I will tell you that we do a late or no-show, and for this particular online courses, you have to do assignment. You only have one assignment this week, and it's a discussion board. It's very simple, but you need to do it so you don't get dropped from the course. So, and it's just an introductory. It's not a big deal. It's very easy. Course evaluation measures. This talks to you about how it's broken down, that you have 4 exams and an employee manual, which make up the 60% of your total grade. And then you have quizzes, discussion boards, articles, reflection paper, presentations, which make up the other 40%. Delaware Tech grading system is 90 to 100 is an A, 80 to 89 is a B, 70 to 79 is a C, and 0 to 69 is an F. Assignment submission, we want everything to go through D2L. We have an academic integrity. You need to read this. Every class has to have this in it. It is important. Within the system, we have a plagiarism tool. So it is run on every paper that you put in. So you don't want to be kicked out of college because you plagiarized and used someone else's material. This is the course plan, and it tells you a little bit about spelling is really big for me. Make sure your I's are capitalized. The first word is in a sentence is capitalized. Grammar is important. You have to treat this as your job. This is to get you ready. It's to give you the tools you need to start your new career, but at the same time, it's a reflection of how you're going to be as an employee, how you do your assignments. We have an exam and late assignment, which we've already talked about. Then we have policies and student resources, which talk a little bit more about the late policy, academic calendar, our college policy for integrity, college policies, minimum technology. If you have problems with your websites, that type of thing, that's where you would go. Preparing for online courses, there's a link here that will take you directly there that will help you about taking an online class. Delaware Tech Virtual Support Center, if you have any problems, and it won't scroll down, there's a link. Go here, and it will tell you they'll have an advising, you can call, you can contact. So the college has really done a great job making sure that the students can get in touch with them, especially now with the pandemic. We have an area where you have your library research workshop, Bright Space, how to create a screencast-o-matic. Here's your video analysis paper instructions, technology tips. It'll give you some input on that. Here's your chapter slides, which are PowerPoints, which I probably should change that word to PowerPoints. And then your weekly modules. In here is where you're going to find what you need to do each week. So like under week 1, you will see a little bit about what's in those chapters, what you're going to be doing, just gives you a little overview. Read chapters 1 and 2, review the PowerPoints, watch post-it video. There's a little video here for you. And then an introduction discussion board. And then I even put on here the date that everything is due. So everything you need is in here. You cannot always do this on your phone though. You're going to have to look at a computer to do some of your work. Then each week I want to double check everything again, but they will be open, and please feel free to work ahead. You don't have to do everything the week that it's given. This is online. I open it up for you, and I've had students finish everything in 8 weeks. They just want to get done with it. If you're graduating and you have a full load, maybe you want to get through some of this stuff and get the papers out of the way, whatever. Go ahead and do it. The only thing I do tell you is, if you do a paper that's not due for 3 or 4 weeks or even 8 weeks, I don't always grade it at that point in time. I like grading them when I grade all the papers at one time. So just understand that it may not get graded until the rest of the class has gotten to that, but please feel free to work ahead. And I will do my best to get everything graded for you. And that's it. But look through here. It has all the tools you need, but you're always welcome to call me, text me, email me, whatever you need to make, to be successful in this course. I want you to be successful, and I'm here to help you. This is a great course. It's fun, and we will have a great time. I will interject videos as we go along to make it easier. If I think that there's an area, like about one of your papers, I may put a little video and say, look, this is how I'm going to talk you through it, rather than you just reading how to do it. All right, have a great semester, and know I'm always here for you. Thank you.